she mugurinyal, sometimes yen ga de mugurinyal chejen. But right jela guri odiri pen. You would say a lot of lies, and those things are completely lies. Tell a tongue muchatin. Chejen. So I watched that video. Machagwaja, I was completely pissed off of the ignorance, number one. The ignorance. I was pissed off about that. But you Bible allowed know my people would perish because of lack of knowledge. I see that from the other singer. And I realize much I call North America, Australia, Canada, North America, what a continent. No con realize no con allow con jam. Or literally go con jam. Con a link. Do much con a link. Then go and teeth in Jiramala Jang Derianga, Jin Jang Bitawini. What do you do? Tiajan, Deriangach. Then you are Michiakunga, tea winnie. And would you kume do jella Kijimo? Okay? So when the other musician was talking about Ande Tiajan, now I realize Kernaman Gorangach opportunity channel. You see an opportunity. Tiajan, opportunity to do something for somebody is there. Yeah, I think this is there. What pissed me off is that a jinwood, a jinwat, chang chai no which you don't allow a jin jang, who may do jatin, who may we do jatin. Mitika Muguri lao a jinwood come wat katika energy to do something good for other people. Kata led woman be a balat kajen. Tiajan, why are you happy? Even pellet more on them. She can't there's some way maybe billing because he's a man like you. Why they in a tatin a day in a boot in a day and a will you see. In fact, it pisses me off because of lack of knowledge, and it pisses me off a lack of a self-awareness. It pisses me off because people here are thinking that there are not let go. But I do Medina let go. I'm like, I was so mad. John, look, because hypothetically, and would have put a Australia musician more. Minga Jamela de la Jen. Japanana to come deal with you, but no car, America, can a order Yalaka la Jen. But there are all the cooler Yalaka. There are the Yalaka lao, and Magura more. Even not Cholka. It has to be a business. You may jala do later Africa. Upon Anbul no do. This is a business. This has to be a business. So now if it's a business, Ngaji Bika West America allow no gila sleep in young me tell you way out to do something. Take idea, but you have no way to implement your ideas. Tiajan, Mudi Angadi Tijo. Do what you know, right? Okay, do you come to quote it? So on time of you cook on to Facebook or call Nadia Latini. Why are talk on Facebook? I tell him a lot corner. We're all quiet. Ni and the Benin and Kumagati la like a chick along with him. Nay, Chinaro kill at Quikel. I don't even know Mutana Quikel. I don't even know Mandarode. Okay. So I was sitting here like I was so mad. I'm like, this is really terrible. It's completely terrible. Go me a jinwood me jinwat. Kanga je take a di lad which lad di la kado. Define yourself. Define yourself. Go to church. Go to church. Let church grow you. Make yourself somebody, and then go back to the government and ask them. Okay. Ask them, angala for sport and arts. Madam Moike loan of $350,000 where I could make it as a business. I will mandine to Charlie to Gilma. I will sell ticket to them. I will bring the musician. They will have a good time. They will do this. They will do that, because people are not going to be sitting here wasting their life and talking about things that teach you lot, teach you women got, okay, teach you women talk. It doesn't work. You know, but I'm you be known America. How do you even advertise to get the ticket to this audience, this mandini, okay? Because when ben you already can panani, michi business to work at the least yak. Because believe na na di kara machi wadu, ba ko ben wa yo. How do you know? How do you grow as a young man to do something for your country? Mukujina musician. Do you even know to go to a minister of arts and sport to go demand money from your own government? Can you do that or not? Can you do that? You cannot. So on top of Facebook, because nothing you are a musician, you want to do something good, but you cannot do it because number one, you don't know what to do. Number two, you don't even know where to go. You don't even know who to ask. And then you're a minister of sport and music and arts and culture. Which initiated you don't even know this not Sakarich lady. Okay? You don't know your lady. Then when you look at Facebook, we don't more do. You been yoga day no first world. How are you going to do that? How are you going to make a big promise like that? No, I want you guys to be mad because Chinanyur ngai kon eno puaran chera mat kui quarantine. Chinanyur chinashubiet. Now people are just either you listen to Brian Bulbert or you listen to Kwen Mutoni talk and then tell him a there's nothing to do. Tell Ramele revolution at all. Tell Ramle Mulel La na la na. I'm driving my day. My truck is down, and in fact, I'm gonna be doing nothing over the weekend. I'm not gonna drive because truck the bar banker, Taka Susidi Tamu, what truck the bar banker shop. My fifth wheel chera hook up a kingpin. So that's what's going on with it. So you know, I was thinking like, how do somebody, you know, community. The only person that I see nowadays in our Kenyan politics, Mary Money. You know, she talk, but tell Guami here the getting, but I don't know who Ramalela warrant her. The second person is Pananjol Elise. That's the person that I see right about politics. When she talk about politics, all kinds of stuff. There's no airball every day. Tell her why you get. So Kondial, what do we do? What do we do at this point? Let's really think about it. Okay. Makan kon badala society. Ja kon nung ka America tell gwa pa kon chuptin. Thank you. But go ahead and share the video. If it touched your heart, go ahead and share the video. Let somebody see it, you know. So how are we going to sit here, talk on the first world, while the mental world or your own emotional world, or you achieve but your physical world, it's not there. So what do we do? Because you allow because kuma because a palnate kuja rantanio. So me a gin musician and and you have an idea, the idea to go a lot about. Okay, you don't even know who to talk to. Again, taking this is it for us. Let's think about that. I will call you be mom. So let's sit down and think about that real good. Guane ode kono kur, guane ode kon complain, kia guane omude kono lelo. What should somebody do in this condition, in this situation? I suggest, my suggestion, me a jinwood ka jinwat, and you're a musician, okay? Take a dream, get yourself to a good church, get yourself jaladi, get yourself to school. Learn something. Learn how system work. Okay. Let's start to be a rebel a little bit. Let's try to fight. Pala with the cook on Facebook or do nonsense every day. Facebook. Let's have a good fight. Let's fight our own government to really fight for our resources. Okay? Let's fight for our resources. Let's fight for our resources. And instead of people are just here, other people, Panan and Chala Bulbul, that dude understand life. Oh, he's like, listen, I am a musician. Okay, we talked, about Yudi. I ain't gonna be sitting there, know you, and this is maybe, and this is but, and this is if, and this is dumb. We're not doing that. This is strictly business. So Machakolari is strictly business. What do you do? It's business. It's no joke. Me a Jin Pananba. You bougie, you want to have lifestyle, you don't want a Motel 6, you want to have 5-star hotel. You want to go and do something and have good experience. We're gonna do this. It's not gonna be, you're a musician to everybody. Okay? And a musician can't limit to do. It's for everybody. That's what you do. Again, 24 hours is what you do. So now we're here. Okay, you can't go to the Minister of Sport and Arts and Culture and be able to take it. Know, hey, this is my business. This is the business plan. This is nowadays these artists. This is what again you can demand on you, right? And then I need advertisement. Ko Anti-Newton to Australia, America, hey. They need to see this. I need to make some advertisement. And, I need to have a website. And I need to do this. I need to do that. Go to pick a man. Now, once I make this money, Yun Kuma, be like so and so and so, whatever. Bakaloji. Okay? But now, we're sitting here. Be one me charaga be a deben pel she. Wallahi me. If you don't go to no benza okay, work out for I mean, Chibisheraka Gordon Kankananya Palulual. That's not gonna work. The guy know who he is. You are the one who are been misformed. Tell the information can to educate it. And then you don't know who to go, and then you don't even know to go to the country to demand and know, watch up in I'm very limited on purpose. Okay? Tell him about that as a good mudi na look at work again. I can't. I have to come to whoever the Minister of Culture and Sport is. Jaledi Minister, can you go to them? Can you go demand money? So now it's gonna be business. That's why I said Chikonde Manurka Facebook fighting nonsense. Katakonga Dormidin problem. If you're a business lady, okay, Minister of Business, your lady, you don't know. Okay, who do you go to? Muguria begin a Guria Bitaka hospital. Be clinic, be a okay, who do you go to? I think we done cham gaje tana, and then while we sit here and be kadam lingling. I think so we need to think. We need to be mad. We need to be pissed off. I really do. Where guru de somebody need to be mad about a situation about take one minister of agriculture. Miachi miache shana muy mun ka che this idiot is need to be fired. I think we need to be mad. Oh, I really do think so. Okay, I was gonna come live in a day. I was gonna, talk about this Independent Day. What independent from what? Who's, you know? Talk on it, dog. We're here. Thank on get single mom ni do a lot of watch. Thank on. You don't even know what you want as a man. You don't even know who to say, hey, brother, man, I need help. You don't even know to say, ane, guru, bana, balawakot bill. There's a lot of criminal in this area. Me take a look what they shall not go. And then can look on the budget then. Look on the chicken musician, chicken could grow. They don't grow business people. Can look on the book. They have a really funny mindset. Chicken politician, chicken could grow. Like no politician, chicken could go. You need God as a politician. You need God as a businessman. You need God as a musician. So this pastor too, I don't even know what they're thinking. They're sitting here looking at you, and sometimes they're funny too. They're not all that ethical. So I don't know what to think about Independent Day. Independent Day, I was gonna be. Hold on, Babin. Okay, so, so we have an Independent Day. From what? Okay, from what? That we done is still young. Okay, ko chara ke company me did me la nothing la jigatin. Okay, la na ko company security guard jatin CEO company ka jatin. So ngwamo security guard la malagang tokal ga ke jeni chape ke you to nywan and teme me mo ke je ke you allow me la je ke CEO kom kor na mo kor ndidin la kor CEO me la je tin teme dere chu te yo ka da to go dere ka walat. So pungute de ka gwach me cha ka gwany yen mande to aramala CEO me cha ko bele la zebanya to duel number 1 and there lel ke nga je mi chang bani yo da either dere kon ku umbrella. Okay, dere 4 gram ne dere ka la to duel no muguri na ngak be mal nyot ke be chi na be kalis because te ko CEO take a shot. Okay, and then there's to do there mo get team bana mala wora kije chatam che de ways kwa zebenya na mo kwa wala ka position CEO na yen mande lele na yen mande lele zebenya tu duel zebenya man tu duel lo wayen kwa yu lo wori kije ka position contract medial na yen mande lele there show there sure too. Excuse my French. There sure too. Contract na dona there kan dial there ka kwal. Ke wo ngaje tele education. Tele kujalat. Ban ngaje number uni. Okay. Agent ta we dancing. So now you're a minister of art and sport and culture. Okay. Kana ka Australia na ka America ana bana nung ka ba pana na ba kunung ka tala ka budget. How how are they going to do that? How are they going to do that? Okay. And how come to you conquer United States? How come we're just sitting here and then we don't ask the right question? You know, ask the right question when you want to do something. You know, ask the right question. If you ask the right question, and then I would deny a minister of a minister of arts and culture, you know, now you have a problem. You can't do it. You see? So I think, and instead of that, on take a first world, what time down the ways, begat con, big a let's really think about what's going on, though, which, you know, if we need to start a new revelation, the revolution. Revelation is a church. Revolution, let's do it. Let's start a new revolution because this is really quite crazy. Begat con, big a chuk, begat con, big con, big and cheraka con. Okay, already, Jakon la Gua Jani, Bukona Jang, Magat con Bukona Jang, and I don't even think we want that to happen. I really don't think. Let's not do it. It's for the birds. Okay? Let's dictate what happened to us. Okay? You know, what kind of life is this? Because but what you know, an opportunity. Okay? He's just gonna see that opportunity. Take a life to share the video so and then somebody that would be mad, it would be my pleasure. They will get mad. They will realize, you know, we really need to do something. I'm doing good. Family are doing good. The granddaughter's doing good. Today I babysit. I babysit today. I end up changing diapers, you know. So the family are doing good. So, you know, share the video so somebody and we need that. We can't be sitting here, you know, and tell me opportunity. You see people going there, and things like that. And then you know, let's learn too. Let's think about it. Every time okay, let's not just sit here and not, you know, and not educate ourselves here. Okay. Republican quarter, Democrat quarter, the corner took a quarter, let's look at that too. Okay, because you can't do a burger, but they're not our problem. I would say that. But let's look at why, you know, why can you go to Ethiopia? Your visa, Bawa charge, it will be expensive. If you don't do anything, it will charge. And then you don't go to Kenya. And then when you go to Kenya, your visa charge. Why? Okay. So let's be here and learn and have experience. Okay, I can't get busy. That is such a waste of time. You wasting your life. You're wasting your life. Go to Rory Shirkel after she did not go to Kelly and everything else, you know. Me got out of you put the logo me, you know, my deal, what trouble deal, Benjalga, Kaike, we are on Facebook. You don't want to do that. Just have 2 kids is good enough. The rest of your life, dedicated to would you be a lot of let's do that. You know, this idea go to Gamanda, water Amanda one girl in the community, and then an 18 chikula nungo, chikula lamon could deal the garbage, chuiken and things like that. That is you adding problem to a problem already. Let's not do that. You know, let's not do that. That's why you guys see me. I don't want any relationship because you know what? Mataka relationship ni and get to gonna me yeah, do it. I'm telling you this right now. I am way yard out of it. Hey, I like that one. Golly. So let's, go on, let's think about what we need to do here. How, other people cook of prosper, you know. Jiramaguri be agriculture that, who is the minister, the minister of agriculture way down? Who? Who could give you a loan because you chi Paul Katukudaro, you know, because be poor kwak. How do you get things to do that? You definitely will have a market because food is important to everybody. That's no doubt about that. We go to agriculture. But Muguru be Panani because America. Who do you go to? And these are the reason why Mandela was in jail for 27 years, my good people, because Chankana here, Awaka Gal be Bilang Kakulu and then ba Bilingli Kula Yanka Diamond Kelly, Bilingli, all these things. Then the guy is like, we're not doing that, it's for the bird, it's stupid. So I think Guana made took on good debate. I think it's way better than be a chikoro submitted to one side. Me tell Mulwangatin, me tell Mangakatin Katela natin. Okay, one or then I wait then or then at to quick Jana Kulo when you're in our leg. To be honest with you. One or then I wait and problem sometime. Let's one of the other define. You could me along I keep Nathan go to me back. Okay, and instead of China come on weekend, and then Chawa take an idiot, I cook at the from where? While everybody's the same in the one hole. And now walk in, I'm going to who. So, yen Dani the Altek on Yagarokuni, I know Mary Mon Jatin, and then I know sister is talking blame day every day is not, that's not it. Let's come up with a new name. If you guys good, bush at you the door, I will call it Nyanyal or something. Why this people texting me? Muguri Nyanyal, I will make a name for it, let me know. But Chabachola I because we already been crying about that. But we need to ask question and know what do we do here? I'm about to be 30 years in America. Dankun, okay, you guys did a lot of things. Dankun, okay, we did a lot of things. But, before we grow old here, I'm going to go on a ladder. I can't one already. Okay, I can't lian bin. What do we do? What do we do? Chukuma chaga, okay, me chokogwa, chukuma chaga, and you people believe Kume gwa. Let's not let this guy looking like a stupid here on Facebook. It be no business in Baram when everything's apparently it's a business. He's looking like a fool here talking nonsense. He shouldn't be looking stupid. He's supposed to, yeah, long time. I'm doing good. So me akuma michi chup akuma michi go, okay? Chua tigili le jaga jelen ke kwang ne de kong da kum chicken. My good people. Okay. Wa ke are ne turki kana man bla ka kondori. Okay. You people. Kumedan is crazy, okay? I'm just saying. Let me, let somebody call me, Call, you want to talk to me, call me. Rana yoda go Sudan. Me akuma michigwa, chagwa mush. Good. Aku go akwa yoda. Somebody call me. Okay, go on, but Chinbuko Sudan. I'm not doing tell her already know what Chinbuko Sudan. You know why? Come me we not go to Sudan. By what door can you I'm not doing it already. Okay. But me kuma mishishu bagwa. Let somebody call me. I'm here. I'm here. Call me. Chula, call me. You, but perhaps in a kun baga what death from Kenya to somewhere. Baga wanang kangade. Could you be? I'll do that. Call me. I'll sign some contract. Okay? I'll spend 6 months of training driver. But I will wait for the minister of the road. Okay, I'm just being funny. Yeah, it's for the birds, you know. Tana dan ta len te tana din nong ma la dan ni men tuo ko ra jen dem chi ra wa da yi ga to chi ka live chi ka na pon ko chi wang a je wo twai. It's the truth. Me and Kuma, me you go to come quick and go ahead and me jam de la about Kuma. Call me, I'm here. I'm here. Tell me stick shiba get cause Sudan. Okay? And then I'm more poor kaka bia moi ka kani. Can you do that? I don't think so. So, more the problem. If somebody want to join me, you guys can join me. Anyway, again, must say done among, I know we done, people are sitting here on Facebook, Beran Makana Lingaga, Beran a lot, Beran Midi Bella, the Lawa it's crazy. Okay, go and Raja like a musician in a Jeremy, Raja. It's not that easy. You need to have a business, you need to have a business name, you need to register it, you know, and then you need to advertise it. Facebook, you know, begin bulbul, you know, you need to advertise bulbul. Oh, bulbul ramate and but you make a good time wallahi tournament and a tournament. You need advertisement, that's money. Okay? So now where do you get that money? Hypothetically, Michi Garamakua, he won $60,000 for Banonka America. Where's this Australian guy gonna get $60,000? For the minister of culture culture ngadi. That's where he's gonna get that money. Okay? Again, but you were joking. If the guy can get the money from there, America, to Australia. So we have a problem. So any musician but take a problem ke. I like business, I will have a problem. I already do. I already asked the vice president in it. We do. So once you have a problem, now the next move is you will create a group and alternate a problem. This kuma is for the bird. Okay? Parliament. Okay, can call on the CEO neka parliament. Komi a CEO, Michiramichi, Tigila, what is your Mugurma? I go in a man and okay. Go you the Badora down, Badora the core movie, what then? Because Lord Jock, a payment needed, because Lord Jock, Karunti to Peggy, you know. But my lad about you, lad, okay. Kajato. But you come and men wallet. Yeah, I'm just joking. Some people they did that to churches. Yeah, Mugo business open. I would still have a report. This is what had happened, you know. Chara kankalat. Every time I go, now we are but I think at this time I'm not, you know, I got issue. So what is the government gonna do? But what can let we share? Hey, lalke. Guama alone can ba Nathan transportation back again. You know, that's how it's gonna work. But this nothing like that is working. What are we gonna do? We're gonna have a problem. We're gonna take a problem. Go pin, come on, pin, kawa. Me a gin doctor too. guri mi guri kwak dur wan birama ger ke bi gur mi jina mi guri ba tailat birama ger tamantini rama ger mun rama ler mu all these things has to be done ke tigor ke oi ba kalat ke chaka balat. Why are we sitting here take a kum michigwa kana go kume mo go kwikel ka go jen kwikel but all of you guys and ramanga je ke United States ngwa me I don't even know Ramate door kokon. I cannot even say it. Mitika door is for the birds. It's not even door. It's something that me. It's something that in the Bible la no. Me jinde ne tike den karan ma ajen riet ko jin jang mo mi teke me tika wal karan jin jang. Okay. So young you den duel come what you re pe ngode jin jang. You slave to that whatever it's den. So that's a debt for you. Okay. Don't you know to pal there's a good debt and there's a bad debt. But it's still a debt. Mi turbilu mi sia den mu de jin jang kan turbilu mo. So, kon idea la tinu wala ti tingu ke ti ko mu de jin jang. But that whole situation. Okay. So bukulu won yamadi. How do you go forward? And how come then I could be at Facebook telling you which latke. We're busy here. Ke teach chikodoga. Latke ne wo ngu tenene. Those are not important. The most important thing is when I see that guy thinking another and I know America, he completely jador the buy and then he completely have no way. Okay, then that's when I get mad. And that's when I realize that Independent Day, Independent Day. We can say Happy Independent Day, but there are a lot of American, you know. Going a year, Choji, Kijima Bagad, Kujawel, Bagad Gan, Kujawel, and God Gan could begin a curse. Hotel Mugami, let cook it. And then Bukuma curse, and then everybody will curse each other, you know. So anyway, you guys share the video. Biata Kamal, but telephone baga ko Rama be a more care right a dear Jebba. So I love you guys. Take care of yourself. Martha Dagmala, why Nini? I hope you guys are doing good, Arizona. So it was nice talking to you guys. God bless you guys. Share the video. You know, go to my content there, but you know what? Sometimes I don't have time. But these couple of 2 days, I will bug you guys. Anaga, ma salama.